Ready to conquer the Immortals Phoenix Rising Progressive Tower and snag those sweet rewards. First, let's talk team composition. You need a balanced squad. Focus on combining gods that offer a good mix of damage, support, and crowd control. Aphrodite's charm can keep enemies at bay, while Ares dishes out the heavy damage. Athena's shield is invaluable for soaking up hits. Experiment and see what works best for your playstyle. Skill usage is crucial. Don't just spam abilities, time them for maximum impact. Use buffs and debuffs strategically. Applying freeze or stun effects can create openings for devastating attacks. For example, combine Poseidon's whirlwind with Zeus's lightning for a massive burst of damage. Boss encounters are where things get real. Each boss has unique attack patterns and weaknesses. Observe their moves and learn when to dodge, parry, or counterattack. Exploit elemental weaknesses with the right gods. For example, if a boss is weak to fire, bring in Hephaestus to melt their health bar. Don't forget to upgrade your gear and skills to make the climb easier. The higher you climb, the better the rewards you will receive. Focus on enhancing your god's core stats. Remember, patience and practice are key. The Progressive Tower is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep experimenting, refining your strategies, and you'll be claiming those top-tier rewards in no time. Now go forth and conquer.